gati yabara ikurase kaunti ya Kisii wesoke na gukwanira hali anyata kwa kwana kigwana mone sobu gatigati bumuchio bosongo nigo barorekana bakwegerera umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii muskepo Simba Arati asogota yabuna gose asokumuruzanania ase engana yechiburaburu cyanyata bachikwana kigwa kolengana barabuo nigo banyalire koba bakomochia igati yabarai benseme yo kwamereria serikali nabo igo asabanyaka bakoboria omurai gose abarai kurwase kaunti ya Kisii bakora n'umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii muskepo Simba Arati kwaigwa amasikani na yango bwatakana amo ne chinkwana ijanya kwa chikobwato kwa amo nomurai we kiama ya DCP omoske Rigathi Gachagua munago tumaye mulikito Daniel Onte.
Hapa ni Kisii. Huyu bonoko wako anataitobia Kisii. Kisii ni Kenya, si Kenya.
Ukwana na balike mangana mambia ya lero ensemo yabamenyi kurwasi chibunge au hase kaunti ya Kisii nigo besokia na kugikiria chinkwana chigati yabarai hase taro yerombe yabarai bagopinge serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asorogongo rogusi mapema eikiga asebatabona hetali yo nigo yaringete komukora gesiasa umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati.
We therefore expected the visiting leaders to present clear policies, practical solutions, and a compelling alternative agenda. Instead, much of their speeches centered on direct attacks against our governor Simba Arati and other elected leaders. Political competition is healthy, but personal hostility is not. It is concerning that the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua appear deeply focused on Governor Arati. This pattern is not new.
Asenkwana yabo nigo bagikiria bururo boigo chinkwana bunegati y'abantu mbasirite amagima ase chiburaburo bateba onyenere boigo kunango abakenya banyorero roboti bene kurwasa bateneri boborindi nabona Arati tabwatrenetigwe ase nchira chinde chonsi ase bosali obwo echinga kichetari yo mugavana nigalenge chinsi cheisiko na tarairana goikabono.
In Omogusi culture, invoking death is a grave matter. Such claims cannot be made lightly. To date, there has been no official confirmation of any fatalities. No public police report has been shared. No family has come forward to report a loss. We therefore call upon investigative and security agencies to provide full clarity. Did any deaths occur? If so, how many? Where are the official reports? Have any arrests been made? Kenyans deserve truth and transparency. Statements suggesting loss of life must be supported by evidence.
Aserio gerimo nigo barokia okogokigwa kwabo hasoborai wabono we kaunti ya Kisii boigo asa magendero na igabarai baregeti baboria baigwe chingaki chogwekerania magendero na mapema mono hasi chinkwana chage siasa
murayo ito Simba Arati igachore tu n'abagusi bose ekera abantu abangao bagocha kurusiko ya gusi bacha kumurama igo no mugusi yokoraki oramwa nto gwancha.
After the elections of 2022 we elected our governor Simba Arati, and the current united opposition is led by the people who were in the current government, led by Gachagua, who was the deputy president, led by the CS Machogu, who was in this government, and when they failed to deliver where they were, they have come now down to disturb people who are working. Yes. Remember, we are in a broad-based government.
Yes.
We have one more budget. We want to ask this united opposition to come slowly to Kisii. When they come here, they should know that they are the owners are there, led by the governor Simba Arati. They must be given their due respect.
Yarenge nga siasa yachete abante bachete goitero mugafano ito Simba Arati chikura chiaye.
We are one family. Hi cousins.
Nkurubaterega taseni kya Getembe kurega subo gategati bomochio bosongo imiye kaunti ya Kisii. Litrene nguru kwa Daniel Untiri.